Right now, while you're sitting here, the sun is firing charged particles at Earth at over 1 million miles per hour. You can't feel them. You can't see them. And you're alive because of something you've never thought about once in your life. Earth has a force field. It's called the magnetosphere, and it's generated deep inside the planet, about 3,000 kilometers down, where liquid iron is churning around a solid iron core. That movement creates electric currents. Those currents generate a magnetic field that extends tens of thousands of kilometers into space, wrapping around the planet like an invisible shell. Without it, the solar wind wouldn't just give you a bad sunburn, it would slowly strip away the atmosphere itself. We know this because it already happened to Mars. Mars lost its magnetic field billions of years ago. Then it lost its atmosphere. Then it lost its liquid water. Mars is a frozen desert today, partly because it lost its force field. Earth kept its field and life flourished. But here's the part that should make you think. The magnetic field isn't fixed. It wanders. The magnetic North Pole, the point your compass actually points to, has been drifting toward Siberia at an accelerating pace for decades. Airports regularly update their runway designations because of it, and the field doesn't just wander, it flips. Roughly every 200,000 to 300,000 years, Earth's magnetic poles reverse completely. North becomes south. South becomes north. The geological record is full of these reversals, locked into the iron minerals in ancient rock, like a fossil compass pointing the wrong way. The last reversal happened about 780,000 years ago. We are statistically overdue, and the field is weakening. Over the last 2 centuries of measurement, it's lost about 9% of its strength. There's a region over the South Atlantic called the South Atlantic Anomaly, where the field is already significantly weaker, and satellites passing through it experience higher radiation and occasional malfunctions. Now, before you panic, a reversal doesn't happen overnight. It takes thousands of years, and life has survived every previous flip. Complex animals were around for the last several reversals. The field weakens during the transition, but probably doesn't disappear entirely. Probably. What actually happens to modern civilization during a multi-thousand-year period of a weakened, unstable magnetic field is something we've never experienced. Power grids, GPS systems, satellite communications, all of these exist in a world where the force field is at full strength. We genuinely don't know what a reversal looks like for a species that built its entire infrastructure assuming the field stays stable. The good news is that Earth's magnetic field has been protecting life for billions of years through every extinction event, every ice age, every mass extinction except the ones that weren't magnetic in origin. It's still out there right now, deflecting the solar wind, quietly doing its job. It just might not always point north.